So guys, I am making corned beef. I'm trying to make some bread. It is sitting here. I gotta let it sit for an hour. It's been sitting for like 10 minutes. I got my corned beef cooking in my slow cooker, nice and slow. Bread is sitting there. I'm about to make some let that cook. It's nice and seasoned. I'm about to let that cook. And I'm making some tea. So yeah, that is Saturday. Yeah, I started a new job, y'all. I don't want to show y'all how I look. I look a mess. But I started a new job Monday, and I am so excited. I'm so excited. Like I said, I got my corned beef cooking. I got my bread sitting there because we are doing corned beef sandwiches tomorrow and homemade onion rings. That is Sunday dinner. Listen, y'all. I'm going to show y'all. This is my first loaf of bread, guys. Look at it. It turned out so pretty. Hey, bread. Look at that. I don't like that side.
Why?
I like this side better. It's so buttery. Look at it. Oh, hold that one. Girl, let's cut a piece. Oh, look. Go. Oh, you see that end. Angie, that's what I like. Yeah. All right, y'all. I will see y'all tomorrow when this corned beef get done. So, I done put my rug down. I done turned the couch around, put the stand over there. I'm about to put my table down, move my love seat up a little. So, yeah, it's finna be looking so nice. So, I got my couch where I want it. Let's see if it can sit right here. So, I'm actually done. I'm gonna pour the wine in here. You gotta make 3 bottles. So this is like red Moscato. And I'm gonna pour it in there. I'm gonna try to fill all my bottles up. I got a couple more under there, so but the ones at the top I really want to fill. Pretty. Yeah. That one. And then this one, I think. Sweet peach. That one is filled. So pretty. And then this one. And then probably something later for those. And then these in the back, some little bottles. This one I want to put, I don't know. Alright guys, I am finally done with the living room. It's looking just how I wanted it to look. Nice and clean. Let me show you guys this side. It's looking good right here. I freaking love how that looks. Yes. So pretty. And then we are going to move to this side. I moved the stand from over there to this side, and I'm loving it. I have a lot more walking room. And yeah, that's the area down here. Everything is nice and clean. I got my wine in my bottles, which I'm about to pour me a glass. I'm loving how it looks. So nice. And this over here is looking good. Nice and clean, yes. And then this, I'll be cleaning my kitchen up tomorrow, so that'll be part of my weekly vlog. The living room cleaning, the kitchen, and I'm gonna do some meal preps. I'm gonna prep me some salads. So yeah, that'll be next. But I love how it looks. I love how it looks. It turned out awesome. Like, yes, it did. Just like I wanted it. Just how I wanted it. So cute. All right, guys. So I am done for now. I gotta charge my batteries. So I'm gonna charge my phone, and then I'm gonna start my meal prep for my salads. So.